Hello and welcome back to another Talking Freight, brought to you by Cerasis, the transportation management company. Today we're back with our Final Mile series, moving from strategy onto what tools you'll need to execute your Final Mile strategy. Don't forget to catch last week's episode by clicking on the info bubble right above my head. Take a moment to think about the existing Final Mile technology in operation in your facility. The chances are good that your organization has tracking software in place, but can your software provide valuable insights or just generalizations? Are you able to book your first leg of the Final Mile in LTL and the Final Mile carrier in the same portal easily? These questions reflect why technology and effective transportation management, including the use of a TMS, is key to the efficient execution of Final Mile delivery and service. So let's talk Final Mile technology. First and foremost, use a TMS that handles Final Mile demands. The use of a TMS can benefit entire supply chains. Newer systems can integrate both outbound and inbound logistics operations, but an effective TMS also handles Final Mile demands and key considerations too. An effective TMS must utilize key features to provide real value, which results in these key benefits. Number one, intuitive Final Mile technology improves order accuracy and timeliness. Your TMS should be able to double-check order accuracy and identify possible risks that could result in delays, which will enhance overall timeliness. Technology increases visibility. The TMS achieves better visibility by providing real-time, timely, and high-quality shipment details. It optimizes routes. The information collected by a TMS should also be leveraged to optimize routes, resulting in fewer direct transportation costs, such as lower fuel and labor costs. You also have the ability to manage and execute surface modes within the TMS, easily choosing a Final Mile carrier in addition to your LTL carrier. It measures efficiency and ability to meet customers' expectations. An effective TMS should also be imbued with metrics and analytics to measure performance and ability to meet consumer demands. And technology must function 24/7. The system must also have the capacity to function regularly, and as a result, cloud-based platforms of Based TMS double down on this benefit. A modern TMS also goes further than legacy systems, and cloud-based platforms like the Cerasis Radar allow shippers to focus on using the system, not an endless nightmare of technology integration and upgrades. Since the system resides within the cloud, otherwise known as software as a service or SaaS, the system utilizes the newest technologies and continues to provide value-based services. But let's address other technologies addressed in the industry when speaking about Final Mile technology. So first, additive manufacturing brings manufacturing close to consumers. The days of using technology solely for shipping within the Final Mile from a centralized factory or distribution center are coming to an end. If additive manufacturing takes hold, that is. Today, new technologies are enabling a change in how manufacturers work, and the use of additive manufacturing includes technologies that break free from the traditional constraints of manufacturing. 3D printing, augmented reality, and virtual reality put power in the hands of consumers to customize their products, and the ability to use these technologies without a large-scale factory means shippers can position manufacturing processes closer to customers. In other words, the Final Mile gets shorter, resulting in fewer costs. Furthermore, the use of additive manufacturing may be categorized as a courier tool, allowing carriers to partner with manufacturers to capture and communicate with clients and help everyone manage the delivery process effectively. The next technology, drones and autonomous vehicles, will reduce overhead. Speaking of reducing the costs associated with Final Mile delivery through technology, the use of drones and autonomous vehicles are on track to reduce overhead in profound ways. They do not have a driver, and they can operate around the clock. Consequently, these technologies allow shippers to compete with companies like Amazon, which have invested millions into the creation of a dedicated logistics network specializing in Final Mile delivery. The next technology point, Final Mile technology also includes big data and data analytics. Another technology that seems to be forgotten is big data. Big data and analytics are commonplace in modern logistics, but they are still types of technology. Big data allows companies and shippers to analyze literal tons of data in a fraction of a second, allowing companies to make real-time decisions and ensure their continued success in the market. Additionally, new technology and the IoT will power a new set of standards in final mile logistics, such as driverless trucks and drones, which will further drive demand and use of big data and analytics. In other words, final mile technology is exploding across the board. In conclusion, cut costs and resource demand for last mile logistics by partnering with a third party. Final mile technology can make or break an effective final mile logistics strategy, and its importance is only growing. While final mile logistics is crucial, shippers still need to focus on other key critical transportation functions. Fortunately, shippers can leverage the newest technology, TMS, and assistance with transportation management through partnerships with third-party logistics providers, or 3PLs, like Cerasis. These partnerships will cut costs and drain on existing resources, which allow shippers to improve their accountability and capacity to manage all logistics operations effectively. That's it for this week's Talking Freight. Thanks for joining us for another episode. Hold up before you go. Check out all the videos in our TMS series by clicking here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here. And check out Cerasis.com by clicking right above my head.